Hello friends, welcome to Unboxpapa YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to unbox this Western Digital external hard disk, which is very compact in nature and which is very tinny as well, right? You can put it in your pocket and you can carry anywhere. So that is a kind of external hard disk which I am unboxing today. It would be very useful for you as you are using mobile phone or laptops where you would like to take the backups, and that is a time this external hard disk comes very handy to take up the backup, and you can carry this backup anywhere in your, just keeping in your back pockets or in your purse or anywhere, right? That is the so much thin which is this Western Digital external hard disk. I am going to give you in detail about the usage of Western Digital external hard disk, and I am also going to tell you like how much speed which is going to take when you are going to transfer the data from your hard disk to your external hard disk. Before moving further towards unboxing this Western Digital external hard disk, if you have visited Unboxpapa YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as in when we publish our new videos. Let us move on and understand the in detail review of this Western Digital external hard disk. How this Western Digital external hard disk look like. I am just unboxing Amazon box for you and to show how this very tiny external hard disk look like and how you can use this product for your daily needs. So I'm going to show you in detail how this external hard disk is really going to work. So if you can see here, right, this is how very tiny your external hard disk look like. This is coming from Western Digital, and it's named as a Elements, which is a basic storage supplement, which is comes with 3 years of warranty, which I bought it for 2 terabytes of hard disk space in this. And this is very much compatible in Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7 operating system as well. And this is also can be used on Mac OS as well. That is a beauty where you can use both Windows and Mac OSs. So this Western Digital basic storage, you can use it for to store the information from the laptops or mobile phones or any data which could be your pictures, videos, you name it, you can store anything in this hard disk. So let me show you by opening the box how the external hard disk would look like. So if you can see, right, this is how they packaged using the plastic kind of a tray where they package everything inside that. So they're and if you can see, right, how much tinny it is, and how much thin which you can keep it in your pocket, and it is very size as well, very small size hard disk which can store up to 2 terabytes of space in this. If you can see, they are given a different kind of port to connect to USB, which is very tiny. And I will also going to show how the cable look like, and they are given user manual as well. You guys can read this user manual for better usage. They are already given a cable. Using this cable, you can connect to this external hard disk very easily. And this is a very different kind of USB cable they are given. You should be very careful when you're connecting this cable to the external hard disk. So I'm going to show you how to connect this external cable, to your laptop and to the digital external hard disk. If you can see, right, my laptop hard disk space is completely full. So hence I brought this 2 terabytes of hard disk to take the backup of the data which is available in my laptop. Let me show you how to connect the cable. I have just connected it, and now let me plug into the laptop and see how much hard disk, external hard disk can give you the space to storage the data. I'm going to provide the screen share here. If you can see it right. So let me zoom in. So this hard disk is going to give us 1.81 terabytes of free space. It is not completely 2 terabytes, which is 1.81 terabytes of hard disk space. It is going to be given to us for any backup, any backing of data in this hard disk. So showing the how the speed of the data it is going to take. It is taking around 70 to 80 megabytes of data per every second, which you can transfer.
I am hoping the unboxing of Western Digital external hard disk, which is of 2 terabytes of hard disk, which you can come as an handy whenever there is a need of taking a backup from your laptops or taking a backup from your mobile phones. I brought this product from Amazon. If you would like to buy this product, and if you felt this product is very useful for you, then I would be giving Amazon link also in my YouTube description, so that you can go and buy this Western Digital external hard disk from this link. I'm hoping this unboxing video was very useful for you. If you like this unboxing video, then please click on like button and click on like button. And if you are not subscribed to our Unbox Papa YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe and bell notification, so that all our future videos related to unboxing videos will be in your inbox. So let us catch up in our next unboxing video. Until then, bye for now. Take care.